Ngibingelele ke namhlanje ke igama lami uXolani Ntanakagwala kwiBhekuzizwe Media. Namhlanje ke silana ke ePietermaritzburg kusewona ke umqiqo wayo ke ama political parties la khona ke ekhankasa khona ngoba phela sekusele insuku ezisithupha khona ukuze ukuthi kuyovotwa. Namhlanje ke sine DA ke namhlanje sizozwa ukuthi ingabe bona ke bathini ke njengoba ke sekusondele lona ke ukhetho ukuthi ngabe izethembiso zabo abayithembise abantu bazoyifeza yini ukuthi impela zifeze ke ekupheleni kosuku. Wena nje hlala nje ulindleke lapho ekhaya ke sikuthuleke zona ke lezi indaba ezishisayo kuyona ke iBhekuzizwe Media. Ntanakagwala ke siyabonga kakhulu.
What we're going to do today is go door to door in the flats. We're going to give out our leaflets. We're going to do some door to door canvassing, and we're going to speak to the residents about the hope and change that we're going to bring on the 29th of May, which is 6 days away. 6 days away from the biggest election since 1994. We want to spread that excitement, that hope, that message. Okay? So all of us, let's go together. We're going to follow the leader. We're going to do some conversions. And we're going to tell the people of Manor Flats that if they want change, if they want title deeds here in these flats, they have to vote in a caring DA government on the 29th of May. Because that is what this community cares about the most. They have no sense of dignity because they have no reassurance that they have a home to live in. So this is a basic fundamental human rights issue, and I think that they must understand that this is an ANC problem that can only be resolved with a DA government. Okay, does that make sense? All right guys, thank you so much. Pambili, let's do it.
Good day, my name is Xolani Ntanakagwala from Bhekuzizwe Media. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi Xolani, my name is Francois Rogers, the leader of the Democratic Alliance in KwaZulu-Natal.
I see that you were doing a door-to-door, and how was the feeling and the atmosphere while you were doing a door-to-door?
Xolani, it's a feeling of despair. These people in this particular area, the Manor Flats that I visited, has for some 25 years now been a problem. People are living inside flats that are not maintained. They're paying rent to the municipality. The area that you can see around you is not being maintained. People are being evicted without following due process. So there's a feeling of hopelessness and a feeling of despair. My message quite simply is that the problem that I've seen here today, it's a political problem. And it's a political problem that people can solve on the 29th. If they vote for a government that actually cares, and a government that actually has a track record of good governance, these folk living here should be given title deed to these properties. One, it gives them dignity, and two, it gives them some economic benefit. Once you have a title deed, you've got some value. You can approach banks, you can fix your own little flat, and of course it's a legacy. You know, if you have a flat and you pass away, it's something you can pass on to your children. But clearly the ANC have not been able to resolve this mess. The billing systems here are disastrous, and people are being evicted without following due process.
So what was the feeling when you were doing door-to-door, and the response from the people? Was it positive?
Well, once we talk about politics and what the political problem is here, then people begin to realize, they understand that you can change your circumstances and your situation by voting for a government and a political party that cares, that has a great track record. We think of Mgeni, and I spoke about Mgeni. I think of Cape Town, the city of Cape Town, where there are flats similar to this, but people have facilities. They've got recreational facilities. The areas are maintained. It gives people dignity and a bit of pride, and I think that message resonated well with the residents today.
We are only now left with 6 days before the elections.